Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to configure dashboard filters in Bold BI. Dashboard filters allow you to control the interdependency of widgets in a dashboard with respect to dynamic user interactions. The dashboard filters help by providing answers in an organized and structured way, by enabling users to apply a set of values and narrow the results. Once a dashboard's filters are configured, a user viewing the dashboard can select a filter to visualize the data of most interest. Let's explore the dashboard filters with an example. This dashboard is in edit mode. It supplies a detailed overview of a website's traffic and sales. Let's configure the dashboard filters in the Filter Configuration window. This section holds the list of widgets whose act as master widgets when property is enabled. Their filters go into effect on user interaction. The remaining widgets that are not under the Master Widget section are marked as listeners in the Listener Widgets section. You can add a widget into this section explicitly by clicking the Add icon. You can remove a widget with the Remove icon in its header. Next, the Filter Profiles section holds a default profile generated automatically for the widgets in the Master Widgets section. Each profile holds details of the filter criteria and the listener widgets affected by those criteria. Here, this pane holds the details about the mapping of a column in the current data source with a column in the target data source. They are the same by default, based on which the user interaction filtering works. Next, customize this default filter criteria by switching to the Custom option. You can now modify the default profile settings, remove them, or add a new profile through options in its header. Next, you can rename the profile by double-clicking it. The Listener Widgets section holds the list of widgets other than the master widgets. Select the checkbox beside a widget name to map it to a master widget under the specified filter profile. Deselect the listener widgets that you do not want to respond to user interaction in the master widget. In this dashboard example, for both master filters, we have checked and unchecked some listener widgets. Based on that, the widgets will be filtered. Here I have previewed the dashboard and selected Android from the product list dropdown. The dashboard widgets get completely filtered for Android products, except for the purchasers count widget since we have deselect from the listener widgets section. This lets you gain information for just the filtered product. Next, let's see another dashboard example. This agent activity dashboard helps to track detailed support ticket metrics to ensure customer satisfaction. In the filter configuration, the agents and date widgets act as master widgets. The remaining widgets are listener widgets based on the dashboard filter configuration provided. In the filter profiles, we use the custom option to map a column in the current data source with a column in the target data sources. The widgets in the dashboard were created using various data sources, so to filter all the widgets with a common master filter widget, we are using this custom filter profile option. Let's see the dashboard filtering in preview mode. Here I select the agent name of Agent 1. The listener widgets are filtered and showcase the ticket details for the selected agent. Next, let's select a date range in the Date Master Filter widget. The listener widgets are then filtered based on that data range. That's all there is to it. We have completed the overview of configuring dashboard filters. Please leave a comment for any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.